where it used to be just farming and it was, animals and crops that were grown on somebody's land and then they were shipped somewhere else. Now what we have is truly agribusiness. We've got integrated farming, so the farmer doesn't just raise animals and crops. Now they might process things, they might manufacture things. It's become very, very diverse. It seems as though there is no limit to the demand. And what consumers want right now is a steady supply of safe, cheap food. And those two things don't always go hand in hand, to have it be safe and inexpensive at the same time. So there is, of all the niches that can be served, this is one that is going to not go away anytime soon. Not as long as worldwide demand, California particularly. We send a lot of our farm products overseas because people don't have the ability or the resources, natural and otherwise, to be able to raise what we can raise here. Year-round farming, a lot of, again, we joke about it because it sounds like it's a pun, that it's a growth industry, but it truly is. And so anybody that's in that, we have a lot of agents, that's all they do. The only thing they write, farmers, ranchers, agribusiness operations.